About to get right back into it, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us, and let's continue. Select player. I guess we gotta choose every time.
No, I think we already chose.
Yeah. Leave tab. Let's
I think
go.
we should be good.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, yeah.
Haha.
Oh, man.
Ooh, shit.
Get the grass. Looks so good. Oops, sorry. Alright, well, we
Let's
could...
not go back to jail. I'm just saying.
I know. We could quest... Oh, you asshole. We could get a quest at that one stage. You know, the stage we just beat. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what?
You are curious about the bloody scroll.
Oh, okay.
You show Samuel the scroll and tell him what you saw in the catacombs. After examining the scroll, the signature and other details indicate that it is a letter from the king to the princess. It is a report telling her that he had obtained the dragon's crown.
Oh, okay.
I wonder if this letter is true. You can't deny that the ghost was clad in mail that was eerily similar to the king's armor. So perhaps this is true. The king's death will profoundly affect the kingdom and neighboring lands. Samuel orders you to report it to the castle.
After we do a quest, though.
Oh, no. Let's quest up. Let's get that Morgan's Web.
Yeah.
Ooh, runs to magic items shop. Has always had a burning desire for further development research of magic items. Slay giant spiders and gather 5 strands. Oh, let's do it. Alright.
I remember I gotta get it, too.
Yeah, let me, hey, learn some
Hey, learning.
Hey, get a
Learning
little.
skills today?
Hell yeah. I only got one.
Oh, okay, so I was wondering if the points go up. So that first skill, you can get it, but you don't have enough skill points to purchase it. I was wondering if that increased.
Oh, 2 points now. Yeah, it does. Yeah. Power smash and shower. Oh, yeah. That one's good. Damn. Yeah, I like this one. Oh, I can't. I don't know. Everything's pretty up there now.
I know, right?
Let's see. Nah. Actually, this when I am in rage mode, I move a lot faster.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, hella fast.
Like Minotaur guy?
Oh
That
yeah.
motherfucker. Damn.
Yeah, I think I'll save. Go ahead.
We gotta leave. What? Yeah. What happened now?
You are overwhelmed by guards.
Oh.
Oh, what?
Charged for a crime you did.
We going back to jail? What?
We back?
We back in jail. Oh, man. We didn't do shit.
You are being removed from the drama at the castle.
Okay. I like it. They're changing it up.
After a few days, the cell door opens.
A few days.
Once your eyes grow reacclimated to light, you see Count
Lab time.
standing before you. He unshackles your ankles and explains the situation to you. The Prime Minister had been jailing all of Dean's allies.
Everybody going to jail.
As expected,
Yeah.
Gustav was working for Bolger. He used a magical necklace to control the princess and influence Highland. Once Dean got Princess Vivian to safety and confronted the Prime Minister, Gustav fled with a ship full of treasure. The princess apologizes for involving you in this. While she was a hostage, Dean couldn't confront the Prime Minister. This kingdom needs a new ruler immediately. Dean is no saint, but he would make a good leader, you think?
Okay, so he's not too bad.
However,
I thought he was an asshole.
Yeah.
the royal orb, another treasure that represents the right to rule Highland.
Ah.
If McNeil gets the orb, it will likely result in civil war. However, the orb does not appear to have reached Bolger. Princess Vivian asks for your help with this incident. You immediately agree and begin searching for the orb. Gustav's ship chose a pirate route, likely to elude captors. Perhaps his artifice was his undoing. You should investigate.
Right after we kill more vampires.
Let's go back to Vampire. Vampire cast first, though.
Unknown pirate hider.
Let's go.
Hell yeah. Oh, really?
Don't get mad.
Ah, arrow got it.
I'll leave my axe behind. Oh, new weapons. Did we?
Ooh, I don't even know.
I don't even know.
I don't even remember what we got last
I
time.
don't either. But
Well, we can always get more loot. Check it later.
yeah. No, this
No, it's the
wasn't it.
catacombs, right?
Yeah.
No, where's the?
Yeah, there it is.
There it is.
There it is.
In the catacombs, stark white bones are strewn about the ground as far as the eye can see.
Ooh, right to the face.
The deceased, the only indication left is areas full of prosperity.
Come on, get back up. Get back up. Oh, now you good. Sparkles.
Them sparkles. Gotta get them.
Hell yeah. Oh, arrows. I forgot. Can't forget those.
Oh, you wanna grab me?
Oh, big guy.
Oh yeah. Oh nice.
What?
Oh, that was dumb. Oh.
Oh, you poisoned?
Yeah, and I'm about to just die.
Oh, shit. I got grabbed. You motherfucker. Oh, no zombies? Let's go.
Alright, where's old boy?
Come on, Ronnie.
I'm not
Ronnie the rogue.
Alright.
Arching with the crossbow.
We
Yeah,
get
hell
some
yeah.
B ranks.
Oh, for
already.
real?
Yeah. Let's search everything. I think we missed all. Oh, okay.
No, I've been picking them up.
Okay.
Archer with the crossbow. What? Don't fuck with me. Out of arrows though. When I'm out of arrows, I'm a bitch. Hey.
Son of a bitch. I had arrows, right?
They didn't shoot them all. Hey, I still had some.
Give me about 5 minutes.
Just wait. Hey, as soon as we hit.
Just gotta go look around a little bit. Just have a little scavenging. I'll get more arrows.
Castle of the Dead.
Alright, let's go.
In olden times, whenever a girl disappeared, the locals would say she'd been called to the castle of the dead.
Oh, zombies. Oh, somebody got me. Damn it. Again? Really? I'm not finding my
zone, right? Whoa, they grabbed you from the ground too.
Ooh, did you see that? That's nice though. Hey, what? Get grabbed again? Real quick, just.
Is that whoa. What's this arrow though?
Oh, it was treasure.
Oh, okay.
That's cool if you can't see it.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Maybe I didn't notice. Trying to pick up my arrows. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, dagger. Backstab. Let's go. All day.
Alright, let's go. Let's do it!
I forgot I got my holdout daggers. Ooh.
Oh yeah, I remember this part. Go ahead. I'll let you handle that. I'll get it then. Oh, I didn't even have to do anything. Just walk up to him.
For real?
Yeah.
The most simplistic enemy in the game.
Delight! Yeah.
Tell him, Ronnie. Tell him. The only guy speaking English.
Is it Ronnie or Ranny? Every time I see his name. Ranny.
Ranny? I say Ronnie.
Just sounds right, that's all. Never seen a dude named Ranny.
It's my turn.
Okay, these guys can.
Okay, I need to drop this.
Oh, he's already dead. I got you.
Good shit. Damn, I'm rusty right now. Let's go.
Oh, arrows. No, wait. Okay.
Go
Okay.
ahead. Arrows!
I need them.
Hey, them arrows.
Can't do shit without them.
You saved the village girl. You
go,
must
girl.
protect her now.
And you're there now. You can get up. All right, cool.
Who are you? Help me escape. Alright.
Did you just do a wall jump? Oh no. Leave the axe.
Leave the axe.
We'll be back. We'll be back.
So y'all know I've been here. Ooh, boy, through the spikes. Alright, let's just go in here if we can. Come on, Ronnie. Just the door. Just the door, buddy.
You ain't superhero man.
I'm
Super
trying.
thief. Oh, watch out, trap. Oh shit.
You saved the village girl. You must protect her now.
Alright, let's go. That was it in here? Oh,
so.
yeah, the trap.
Oh,
the
no.
trap, the trap, the trap.
There's sparkles, man.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta get them sparkles. Okay, let's go before hostage gets. Is that a trap? Oh shit, there's a trap. See?
Let's go, Ronnie. Ranny.
Master Thief hitting every trap.
I know.
Oh, spiders.
Okay, let's
Get
see.
that quest. There's one. Oh, I'm poisoned now? Bullshit.
Oh, yeah, that's what I need to start doing more. No, we didn't get anything.
I got one. I picked up one web. So I hope we don't have to come back here again to do it.
No. I think we might. Okay, I'm getting my swag back right now. That knee of freedom. Forgot about the knee.
The knee of freedom.
That knee. That knee's gonna get in that ass. If I don't die first. Let me
I got your back. Well, I don't know how I'm freezing him though. You see that?
yeah, I see there.
I don't know how. Did I get a skill that does that?
I don't know. You're picking up all these skills. I think I'm not even using half the skills I've learned. I need to remember which ones I have. Oh
remember
god.
how I'm
Someone's
doing
gonna
that.
get there. Someone's gonna get them arrows to the face.
You know it.
Done.
I think I'm out of arrows. Get them arrows, fool. No, I just jumped in the trap.
Yeah. Good.
I don't know if you saw it, but that was a beautiful ass combo.
Didn't see. We good?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Want some more spiders though, man.
No, I think there's more up here.
It better be. Okay, good. Nope. Did you pick up anything?
No.
Oh
Everything-
shit. Nothing new.
Maybe there's a certain way.
Were you obliterating them too much?
I think so. No, I don't know. Maybe we should have read the quest a little better. Maybe there's a way to,
Target just the webs? I don't know.
yeah.
Can we fuck her up right now?
I
Need
know.
freedom or something? Okay. Should she just dodge all those attacks? I'm just saying. That is super beast.
I know, it's not easy dodging this axe, boy. For that ass! Let's go. Oh, this is it already.
That's not good. We only got one.
We did get one though.
Yeah, we need 5. Shit, teleport.
You ain't getting enough from that. You will not get enough from that.
I missed it.
Oh wait, let's protect the girls.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're good. there.
Well, leave them girls alone.
Damn. Okay.
Oh no.
You okay? As soon as I
Leave
come
her
back.
alone. One down.
Damn, nice.
Oh.
Oh, berserk mode.
Ooh!
That knee.
That flying knee. Hey, knee of freedom
That
to your
knee.
death.
Freedom
That was
to death.
Oh,
S rank.
S
Oh,
S
good
rank, son.
shit.
That's why.
Good
that flying knee,
shit. That
S
flying
rank.
knee.
Hey, 2 S's?
Damn.
We got 2 S's?
When did that happen?
I have no idea. Hey, beastin'.
Hey, we got something nice this round. Oh yeah, that's got to be a new axe and a new bow.
Better be.
That knee.
That
They saw it. They see.
They saw the combo.
They need that ass. Get that ass rank.
Game new. Oh shit, they whooping ass. Hey, goddamn. Although we have to go back and get more spider webs.
I know.
Oh, it's 2 axes.
Oh, we'll be quick. We'll do it again, and then you'll probably hopefully get axe. Oh, I'm getting them both. I'm about to get them both. Look at how much the appraise though. No. Appraise, yes.
Purifying falcon axe and the toxic long axe. Let's see what the bows are, just to check.
These.
Nope.
Yeah,
Sell
don't even
those.
fuck with them.
Sell those.
Boots. You want to check out the boots?
Yes, let's check out the boots. Not those, the B ones. Yeah.
Yeah. And then, wait, obtain.
I can't even use them yet, anyways.
Yeah.
That'll be it. S rank just for you. I see that. I see they really saw that flying knee.
They saw that.
They saw that flying knee just for you.
They slowed it down for me too. Did you see the slow mo?
Beautiful.
Alright, let me.
It's like one of the Jacques Van Damme moments.
No.
One of those. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, they're both pretty sick. I can't use either one though. Oh well. Which one do I have now? Oh, I'm not even using 24, 14, 25. They're both pretty good. I think I'm good.
Alright. Let me check if I have anything to place.
The blessed bow.
I have this one. I never checked.
16. Ooh.
Oh, that's what was freezing them.
What
That
is
freeze
it?
enemy 6%.
6% chance? Damn, that's a lot of 6%.
Hell yeah.
That was a lot of 6%.
Hey, lucky. Boy's lucky. Don't let me get that bow. Don't let me get that bow.
Bow.
Ooh, I need to get one of these. Not these.
6% sense, minus retribution.
Jotun's work boots. Alright, save that for later. To get that later. Okay. See if we have to repair our shit.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I remember seeing one of your items break. I don't know if it was...
Oh, yeah, right there. Right there.
Fix it all.
I sure did. I'm good. I don't need anything else.
Yeah.
Welcome to my shop. What would you like?
Oh, I don't need to really, but we'll do it anyway. Let's go. We could... You want to run through that level again? Damn.
We can beast it real quick. I
Alright.
think, maybe. I win. Again. The Pokemon speed though, hey.
This way, right?
I think one more.
Yeah. Alright. I
Real
don't know.
quick run
Maybe
through.
we should have read the quest. We got one though. Maybe we should attack the web more than this actual spiders. Oh, you mother. Okay. Okay. I like that you can cancel on the block at any time. I didn't know that.
Oh, nice.
Like mid attack, just hold it.
I can't
yeah.
block though, that's the thing.
And I can counter. Now I'm in freaking hyper mode. Let's go.
Boy.
Watch out.
Oh shit. Maggots. Watch out for the maggots.
Of course, I still run into the fucking acid.
Let's just run through it and get the quest. Maybe pick up the chests.
You already know. Gotta get the chest though. The S ranks. I think speed has a lot to do with it too. You think?
You can't bring back any more bones?
We're stocked up. Good. That means we gotta start burying people.
Yeah.
So we get higher rank. I don't remember getting rid of the witch girl though.
I don't either. Oh, did we turn off the join feature?
Yeah, we did, but we had her in the party before we quit, didn't we? Because I remember playing this level.
Oh, watch out. Big boy. It's loading.
Whoa, I can't even move right now.
Okay, skeleton's over there.
I know, doing work.
Fighting at nothing.
Oh, this dude got up. Alright, let's go. We got everything?
Yeah. Well,
Alright.
chest wise.
Pretty much, yeah.
Path ending is connected to the ruins.
No, you don't want me in hyper mode, cuz. You can't even load. Load them enemies.
The world disappeared. The locals would say she's been buried to the castle of the dead.
Oh, I jumped right into the zombie's hands.
Oh yeah, we need to keep berserk
pace.
mode. Get that berserk on. And that food though, crucial.
Yeah, yeah. Quick snack. Hold on.
It still has. You have 3 apples.
Do
Don't
I?
even need them.
Walking on them. Hey, who got beef? You got beef? Walking on 'em. How about we run on them?
Yeah, how about we run on them? There we go. Cool.
Still walking. I don't know why.
Maybe you can use the flame on the web.
Oh, I think. Oh yeah. I forgot every element I'm around. I can use magic.
Yeah. Oh, flame.
See? Because that
Yeah.
flame's right there.
That isn't even our thief, bro.
What?
Where'd he go? Don't let him get out of here.
Watch out. Grenades.
Oh, he got away.
away.
Oh, look, that's one ugly looking thief. Oh, hold up. That ain't ours. Alright, let's go.
We got jacked.
We
just got jacked.
We just got. There goes our S rank. Let's go.
We don't need it.
You don't want to go in there?
No, let's finish the
Let's
quest,
get the
man.
web.
The webs, dog. We just got jacked, man. Ain't no point. No point. Alright, let's see if this works. Yes, there's a web.
Okay. I'll let you handle that. Oh, it goes web in my face.
There's
Oh, I'll
another
let you. Yeah, get him.
Oh, there's no fire around here.
Oh, you need fire, huh? You think?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, yeah, we needed fire.
Oh, okay.
Damn, out of fire, though.
Should have kept that. Did that torch run out, or you threw it?
Torch ran out.
Oh, okay.
There's another torch. Just you handle all the enemies till we get to the spiders.
Damn, I'm getting my ass kicked. Let's go.
Who want it? Hey, you want it?
Alright.
They just be dropping arrows? Sweet. Check this box. See if there's a torch in here.
Go ahead. They ain't going nowhere.
Oh, come on. The chest ran.
Nothing.
Nope. Oh well.
Oh, there goes web. Yeah, I think it's just random drop. Yep.
Got it.
Yes.
Let's go.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Get my ass whooped. Hold on.
So am I.
Gotta feed.
Oh, we didn't get any fucking women.
Nope. None of them. We got the quest though. Hey. Ain't no worries now. You can snack and eat.
Oh, hyper mode.
Okay. Beast.
Get up. Don't let me catch up on my knee.
Y'all not saw how the other one died? Huh? Watch out them.
Okay.
You're doing so much work. I don't even know if I need to be here right now.
Bitch, go to sleep. Don't ever wake up.
Don't
ever wake. Did I say you could? Go back to sleep. Aw, that's weak.
Yeah, we're going down there. And we're going down there.
Oh, the kidnapped girls turning into vampires. We didn't save any of them.
Oh, there was peoples.
Good job. Good job.
Right,
We have one job to do, Hitman.
That's on me. That's why do you think I'm a dead hitman? Hey, all the objectives gone. I don't know if you want that. You got
really
S
don't.
ranks.
I got S ranks. Ooh, what is this? Oh,
For
it
Mr.
looks
Sorcerer.
looks dope though.
For the sorcerer.
E rank. I think we'll sell it all. Sell. Good job, thief. I wonder how much of a cut the thief takes from all our loot. Mother. Alright, let's go.
Half.
No.
Half. Wait, I leveled up.
Okay.
So maybe I can wear those boots now.
They're 16? Oh, level 15.
Level 15. What am I? 13?
Hey, them boots? When'd you get them boots?
Damn. I still don't know if I want to trade in my freezing. No, I'm good. It's not that much.
That
better.
freeze bow is pretty awesome.
Hell yeah.
Comes in handy.
Alright, let's go.
Yep.
Alright, turning quests.
Yes.
Continue with stories.
That might level us up again, too.
Oh, you know what?
What?
Did I? Oh yeah, I did activate the quest, right?
Yeah, you did.
Ooh,
I like it.
nice.
Ah, so close. So close. We're good.
My turn.
There's a request.
Thought I had.
Oh,
We're not doing
it
it again. No, that is.
We'll
that's-
do it later.
So that's 2 quests
Yeah,
that I.
we'll get back. We'll get to it later.
That is
on
some
some
bullshit.
downtime.
I'm out of here. I'm walking out. This is some bullshit. Hey, can I go back to jail? Let me go back to jail right now. For at least 2 days.
Let's go.
Man, this is some bullshit.
I thought you did. You're like, I got to do it too. You didn't accept it. Or you just skilled up.
Is that what I
You
did?
just got your skills.
Is that what I did?
Yeah, yeah.
That is some dumb shit. All right,
Well,
let's
get
go.
on to new shit.
Man.
Ghost ship code.
Hey, remember them quests? Remember them quests I don't got?
And you was like, hey, I still got to do it. Okay. Okay.
This guy. Let me go back to jail right now. Hey, this is some bullshit.
Oh, that kick.
Okay. Flying legs everywhere. It's just one person. Oh, wait. We forgot Sparkle's over here.
Okay. Check the barrels.
Oh, back here at the beginning.
Mr. Sparkle! Let's get it.
Since when do I explore more than you?
I know. Since when, for real?
Who won it? Who won it? Oh, thief in the back.
Oof. Ooh, yeah, dodge that shit. Dan didn't dodge that one though. Oh hell
He's
no.
trying to get some shit. Hey, what? Better not run off with no loot, motherfucker.
Done.
Good shit. Ronnie?
I know, Ronnie. Don't let that shit happen.
Don't let him get your shit. Oh, Matt, water? Should have been. That's a puddle, right? No sparkles?
What
Damn.
level is she? She got a level?
She got that point and
here
click
goes your
level.
water. Oh,
This is
nice. Oh, can we go up here? That'd be sick. Boy.
Oh, nice. What's up, blue guy?
Whoa. What was
I've
that?
never seen him do that.
I'm getting my ass kicked this whole time. Okay.
When's the last time you upgraded your vitality? Cause damn.
I'm just not paying attention, I think. Alright, let's go.
Sparkles. Let's go on ceilings. Nope. Back here. Nope. Water. Nope. We good.
Alright.
A beautiful voice in the sea calls out to you.
Okay.
You've heard of Mermaid's legendary curiosity.
Okay, I'm just staring at that fin coming out of her ass crack. How is that working?
That is
right
the
now?
weirdest type of mermaid I've ever seen. I've
But
never
the
seen it.
sexiest, though. What
Sexy.
the- what is
Sexy.
going
But
on?
out the ass crack?
Out that ass crack.
You learned Gustav's ship was indeed attacked by pirates. That means the pirates likely have the oars.
Okay.
I didn't even pay attention what dude was saying.
I don't know.
I
He's
was-
saying something about his ship or titties. I don't know.
Ass crack? I don't know what the fuck. That ass got competition just now. I'm just saying.
No. I don't know about that. Oh, maybe. Okay, you doing work. I'm just standing around. Alright.
I just got grabbed.
I got you. Oh, beast mode.
I need some better boots, because these boots ain't doing work right now. A lot of arrows. Ain't that a bitch? Watch out, zombies
I
coming
wonder
in.
if I can, that's what I haven't been doing enough. Dodge.
I've been dodging like a motherfucker.
Can we go up here, though?
Point at it.
I'm trying. We got bones everywhere, though.
I know, we forgot that too. Oh wait, sparkles.
Pay attention to my life a little better.
Nice.
Oh, then I get grabbed. Oh, sparkles. Alright.
Oh!
What?
I just figured out some dope shit. Watch this. That running past
Oh, that's
and
sick.
shooting. Hey, hey, learning.
And learning?
Learning every day. Was that a skill I bought, or was
I
that
have no
was
idea.
that just a natural
Could you
skill?
have done that from the beginning? Oh, we going in the ship.
Running past and shooting. That is some dope shit. Is that the first door? Because I feel like we've been missing doors.
I know, right? Just
go to sleep.
go to sleep.
Somebody get him. He got.
He got.
He got. Hey, Das.
Hey, get
That's
him.
that.
Hey, get him.
It was all a ruse.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh,
Yo, watch your health.
I know. That dodge. Ah, good shit. Ooh, the mid-air floater.
Who won it? Who won it? I'm almost out of arrows though. That dodge. You know what?
Oh,
You know what?
dude. Yeah, I'm off today. Let's go. I gotta get
shit.
back in there.
All of y'all. And get froze. I'm out of arrows. Damn.
That butt in your face. Alright.
Yes, but snoo.
That snoo. Okay, I gotta wake up. That's what I need to do. God damn.
Oh shit! I didn't check my life.
Oh, you're good. I don't know what my defense is at, but
Okay. All right, now I'm feeling better.
Okay.
I'm feeling better now. I think I'm feeling good. All right, let's go. Yeah, when we get back to town, I need to change some shit. Goddamn. Oh, damn. Perfect dodge.
okay.
I got you covered from distance.
Oh, no matter what, though. Get off.
That mid combo grab, like that shit.
No, let me get my roast beef.
She's like, what pockets? What pockets? I'm just saying. What pockets?
She got the thighs of wonder, man. She hide anything up in there.
Is that magical cleavage you got? Cause goddamn, you pull that shit out of nowhere.
Okay.
Ooh, look at this. This looks straight like a doorway.
Yeah, it does. And she's like standing right on it.
I'm clicking it like a motherfucker, and I cannot open that shit. Do it. No. Oh wait, I got explosives.
Oh.
I didn't do shit. Never mind. I forgot I had those.
Wait. I have ice ring, heal ring.
We need to map that to the map shit.
What?
Ooh.
Once your score reaches a certain amount, you will gain a life point. Life points are shown above the. Oh, nice. I needed that.
So dude.
Dang.
So
Okay.
did.
Time to stop being a little careless. Oh wait. What's up here? See that? Oh, it's just
Oh, water drops.
a Tektite.
Okay.
Is that the official name?
The official? I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I start doing. God, dodge. Hello.
I'll be tackling and dodging, just out of it.
Yeah. Okay.
What, you still getting up? What? There you go. Thank you. Oh, he's still getting up.
No, he ain't.
He still want it.
Okay.
He still want it. Okay, we need to
I
bury
was
some
missing
people.
a crucial button. Hey, that dodge button.
Hey, this one right here. Hey, the flips.
No.
Flip style.
All right, let's go.
All day. Mid air, on the ground, falling down after getting hit.
Okay, darknesses.
No, this map is.
Oh, no.
Shit.
Oh no. Oh no.
Do we not have any torches? Torches.
Nah, we're gonna have to.
Man, that's
You
some
see a
bullshit.
torch?
No, I do not. Okay, this is some bullshit. Oh,
Oh,
torch
there we
right there. Get him.
Alright, I'll just walk up. No, I'll just walking.
Just chilling. Hey, just chilling.
walking.
Getting fucked up.
I wonder if
By
we
the
can
light.
go back to that door.
Yeah.
You think we go back to that door at the? Maybe the fire opens it. You think?
I don't think
Oh,
we can
can't
go back.
Oh, okay. Yeah, keep the fire.
Oh, there's another torch just in case that one goes out.
Oh,
I got you. I got you. Woo! Hey, that torch of death though. Oh, that was all you. Shit.
okay, that was close.
Okay, that was.
That was close.
I hope you got potions, cause goddamn, your shit is low again.
No. Nope. I got that ring of healing though.
Oh,
Damn,
nice.
That's
Oh,
about
and it
it
heals me too.
Yeah.
Sweet. I'm gonna have to buy one.
Not a lot. Though.
Oh, I'll pick up the torch.
I'll get one too. Hey, running with the torch? Hey, don't run with fire.
Hey, Dragon's Crown though? I almost said Dragon's Dogma.
Right. Oh.
I don't know if I can help you out of that.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, I can?
Yeah. Oh, in the ice. In the ice, you got rocked. Come on, Thiefy. Thiefy.
I'm gonna bring a torch just in case.
Yeah, me too. Outstanding. Oh.
Y'all are real? We don't need torches.
Oh, you trying to guard? Oh, yeah.
Oh, what? Did he have a genie?
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Hey, get.
Oh!
Where is he?
Dude, you're gonna be...
Oh my god. Okay, genie want it? Oh, I can pick it up? Oh,
Use
let's
it,
go.
use it.
Let's go. Who got beef?
Nice.
I don't know what that is, but it's working. Let's go. Let's go. Who
Nice.
got beef?
Would you pick up a lamp?
I got that lamp he was
Nice.
using. Get him back. Get him back, genie. Get him.
Lightning?
Who won it? Hey, Archer don't need arrows right now? Hey. Get him. Again. Oh, did I drop it? Where's it gone?
It's probably gone. 3 wishes.
Was that 3 though? Cause if it's, oh no, it's still there. It's on the other side. It's flying around. There it is. In the middle. Get it. Oh, before they do. No, don't let them grab that shit. Oh, somebody grabbed it. Somebody grabbed
Oh,
it.
shit.
Oh, I got it out of his hand.
Oh, good.
Where'd it go now, though? Oh, shit, I'm about to die.
So am I. Well, no, I'm not.
I'm out of arrows like a motherfucker.
Oh, who has it?
I don't know. Someone at the bottom. Oh, no. I'm about to die like a motherfucker. Damn it. I need something.
The power's called the genie.
Dagger. Oh, no.
Oh! I'm
There it is,
flaming.
there it is.
I got ice ring. I got heal. I don't have anything to heal me though.
It's just one guy. It's just one guy.
Oh, that
and
was
he
it.
got kicked. He got kicked.
Look.
Damn.
One
One
hit point and it was over.
1 point. Good
That's
shit,
it.
bro. Oh,
Damn. Oh,
Okay.
we gotta run that again. We could have did a lot better.
hell yeah.
Damn. All right, guys, we're gonna call it. Pretty good run. Be sure to come back for the next episode. We will continue exactly where we stopped. All right, y'all.
Peace.
Peace.